Hey y'all, it's Chris Mosier. I'm with KGSR. You've heard me talking on the radio about Dr. Daniel Slaughter and sinus and snoring specialist. That's where I am now. I just came in to say hi really quick. There's really been no reason for checkup or any of that kind of business because I'm largely cured of the snoring thing. Doesn't happen very much anymore, and just sleeping awesome. And I was just telling Sangeeta, who's the office person here, who does his advertising business, it's a really nice thing to get involved with an advertising client that really has been a massive benefit in my life. I'm sleeping so much better than I have really my entire adult life after the procedure I had a little over a year ago, right here at Sinus and Snoring Specialist. And what can I say? It really has literally changed my life. Just much better energy, sleeping a lot better. Wife is sleeping a lot better, as we've talked about in the ads. You know, when you snore, you're bothering the people around you as much as you're bothering yourself. So very much a win-win for me, and I'm so glad I met Dr. Slaughter.